In today's video, we'll be discussing the Accounts tab. Keep in mind this is where your person's accounts live. Person's accounts are business to consumer records primarily used in the financial services industry. Think about this relationship in terms of how your family uses banking. You have a household, let's call it the Williams household, which is the account, with two people on the account, Alicia Williams and Carl Williams, which are your person's accounts. And then their son, Dwight, a contact because he's an account on the person account. Your native Salesforce accounts or companies with business contacts also live in the Accounts tab and have a contact to account relationship. We will discuss this more in the contacts video and when we are viewing the account. The navigation of this tab is similar to the previous Leads and Referrals tab, where you have your pinned list up top and the ability to unpin and pin your lists you want to be top of mind when you first visit this tab. You can also click into accounts the same way you previously did in the Leads and Referrals tab, but you will notice a different layout on an account page. Notice Acme is a business account, which just means what we talked about earlier. This account has a contact to account relationship and is used for business. We will review a person account later in the video. At the top, you'll see the name of the account, type of the account, phone, website, etc., as well as over to the right, the ability to follow the account, edit, and delete the account. If this was one of your major accounts you visit every day, this would be a good example of the use of the follow function. When you follow an account, you can have activities at the account level displayed on your homepage to keep this account top of mind without having to navigate to the specific account to view updates on activities. Over to the left, you'll notice we have a few drop-downs. This displays account-specific data, such as savings account, credit cards, etc., as well as a financial summary at the top. The financial summary is utilized more for persons accounts, where you can see financial sums of the account. Business accounts, on the other hand, primarily function from referrals because this is the function of a business-to-business relationship with most financial services companies. Over to the right, you'll see specific account details under the Details tab. When you click the Related tab, you'll see a drop-down for cases for the accounts. This can be used for support tickets or activities that need to be opened and resolved. You also have opportunities related to the account in the Activity tab, where you can see recent activities related to the account or the person account depending on the record type. Now, compared to a household, we can navigate to the Williams household we spoke about earlier by clicking the Account tab, locating the account, and clicking it. We'll see similar sections and data as the business account we were previously viewing, as well as a hierarchy of the account that we spoke about earlier. You can see the Williams household as the account, Alicia and Carl as the person account that roll up to the account, and Dwight, a contact, who rolls up to Alicia and Carl, who rolls up to the Williams household. This hierarchy is important for the financial summary we talked about earlier. Above the hierarchy, you can see the sum of all of the accounts is summarized here. To add to the household, click the down arrow next to the name of the household. To add a person account, click Add Row under the section with the other person account members, in this case, Alicia and Carl. Keep in mind, for the roll-up to function correctly, you must enable the primary group toggle, and then simply click Save.